Welcome to the Multifeed Google Shopping Feed app, the ultimate tool for managing and optimizing your product feeds. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how easy it is to use Multifeed to streamline your feed management. Let's start with installing the app. Simply search for Multifeed Google Shopping Feed in the Shopify App Store and click Install. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account. While you can skip this step and add feeds manually to your Merchant Center, we recommend connecting your Google account to save time. So, I'll go ahead and connect mine now. Simply authorize the app. This is a standard Google authentication process. We will continue with how to create the very first feed. Click Add the first product group. Here, choose a product collection or include all products. Then select the platform, Google Shopping, Facebook, or others. For this demo, I'll choose Google Shopping. Since I've already connected my Google account, I can now select one of my Merchant Center accounts. Click Next to continue. Name your feed, choose your preferred format, and hit Next. Because I am creating an US feed, I will choose English for the feed language and USD for source currency. With pricing context, I will choose the US. You can also customize the product URL, for example, by adding currency parameters, subpaths, or subdomains. Next, I'll add a feed label targeting country, US. To keep things simple, I'm going with the default settings for now. Just keep clicking Next until you reach the final step. Before saving, you can preview your feed data. Let's select a product. As you can see, the app generates the full data: item ID, title, description, product link, everything you need. It's important to note that our app has a lot of features that help you optimize and personalize your feed. For example, expressions. For example, I want to add my brand name to product titles. Here is the default. And now I will edit it. Just click Edit under Title, apply the change. And there it is, updated instantly. Happy with the setup? Click Save. You can choose to run the feed immediately or just save it for later. I'll go ahead and run it now.
Feeds refresh once a day by default.
If you want the feed to refresh more frequently than once a day, you can add more schedules with some extra cost. Not much. For example, for 1,000 products you will only need to pay extra $0.9 for every month. I'm happy with the daily refresh, so I'll stick with that. Well, your feed should now appear in your Google Merchant Center. Let's check it out. Log in to Google Merchant Center, go to Data Sources. And yes, it's already there. Perfect. Now, let's take a look at the dashboard page. You'll find a handy setup checklist. You can follow this checklist to have the best performance for your store. You can also track your feed's health in real time. If any issues arise, Multifeed will send instant error reports so you can quickly fix them and stay compliant with Google's requirements. Do you want to join with us? Install Multifeed Google Shopping Feed app now, start your free trial and experience all the powerful features Multifeed offers. If you need any more support, feel free to contact with us via email or chat. We are always happy to help. Thank you.